humanity is okay, but 99% of people are boring idiots. We feel free because we lack the very language to articulate our unfreedom. If you have reasons to love someone, you don't love them. Cinema is the ultimate pervert art. It doesn't give you what you desire, it tells you how to desire. Thinking begins when you ask really difficult questions. Beyond the fiction of reality, there is the reality of the fiction. The problem for us is not are our desires satisfied or not. The problem is how do we know what we desire? Love feels like a great misfortune, a monstrous parasite, a permanent state of emergency that ruins all small pleasures. It's bad if we are controlled, but if we're not, it can be even worse. I secretly think reality exists so we can speculate about it. As a Marxist, let me add, if anyone tells you Lacan is difficult, this is class propaganda by the enemy.